Howdy, everybody. I'm Hand-Drawn Hank, and welcome to today's Quick Draw, where you suggest it and I draw it. Remember, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe below. Thanks! Today's drawing was suggested by a wonderful young man from Zambia named Malachi. And Malachi asked that we draw him a giraffe. So this giraffe's for you, Malachi, and thanks for the suggestion. Here we go. First, let's just draw one big giraffe eyeball, like this. Ta-da! Good job. Next, let's draw the inside. Good job. Next, don't draw the second eyeball. Let's draw the top of the giraffe's snout with a nice little curved line like this. There you go. And now we can draw the other eyeball. Circle, circle, circle. Ta-da! There we go. We got the two eyes. Next, we can draw some cool little eyebrows. Ta-da! Looking good. Now, giraffes have two bumps on the top of their head. So we're gonna draw a bump, bump, and a bump, bump, just like that. Now, let's draw the giraffe's big ear, just like this. Good job. Ta-da! And the insides with just two little lines. There we go. Good job. Let's draw the other ear. Just a little curvy line. Good job. Loop it over and do another curved line. Just like that. One, two, ta-da! Two nice giraffe ears. And giraffes have these cool little horns on top of their head. So let's draw those. Two lines. One, two, and then just a circle. One, two, just a circle. Good job. This giraffe is looking great. Next, let's draw the rest of that snout. So we're just gonna draw a little line over and then down just a little bit like this. Ta-da! And then we're gonna loop it around. And up, and that's the top of the mouth. And now we're gonna bring this down. And let's color that in. And I'm gonna clean that line up. Nice job. Look, we can really see this giraffe coming to life. Next, let's draw that bottom lip. Ta-da! And now we're just gonna draw the side of the jaw. And there you go. You drew the giraffe's head. Now we gotta draw that big long neck. So the inside of the neck goes here. Okay? And then the back of the neck is gonna come up and then make the back of the head just like this. So we're gonna come up. Ta-da! Look at that. Our giraffe is coming to life. Let's bring this line all the way down to about here to draw the front of that neck. Bring this one down, but it's gonna get a little wider and a little wider. Watch carefully. All right, now we're gonna draw this line down to draw the front of the chest. And stop. All right, let's get those legs in there. First things first, one line. Easy peasy. Another line. Good job. We're gonna draw some bumps for the knees. Watch carefully. Bump, bump, no problem. Now the bottoms of the giraffe's feet can be a little tricky, so pay attention. One curved line out. Stop right there. Another curved line out, but a little shorter. And then it goes in and out like this. In, out, and curve it out. Now all we gotta do is draw the hoof. Line, bring it in. Ta-da! Good job. Let's shade it. Nice job. Next, we just draw one line for the back leg. Good Good job. Good job. Bumps for the knees. Bump, bump. And same idea. Curve out. A shorter curve out and out. And connect it. And then just draw a line. Swoop it up and shake. Ta-da! There you go. Now we got two legs. Let's draw the back. The back is just going to be a line that comes like this. And then turns down for the rump of the giraffe. Here we go. Watch. Ta-da! Easy peasy. Now this next part's a little tricky, so pay attention. We're going to kick out for the back leg like this. Good. Bring this line down like this. Good job. And curve out. And same thing. Kick it. Bring it around. And let's draw that hoof. Line. Swing it around and loop this one back. And shade it. Looking good. Let's draw the belly. Good job. And let's draw the top of the belly. Good job, and bring it on down. Ta-da! Looking good. Now, let's draw that other back leg. Pretty straightforward. Draw a line. Draw this back here. And then we go down, and down, out, in. Now let's draw that hoof. Draw a line, bring it down, and curve it, and shade. Good job. Now let's draw that awesome giraffe tail. Just draw a line, draw a line, and then we put the hair. So curvy line, bring it down, maybe a little bit more. There you go. That's a good looking giraffe tail. Let's shade. Yeah, good job. Now we're almost done. All we have to do now is draw my favorite part of giraffes, and that's their super cool spots. So we'll go up here first and just draw a little shade. Now, when you draw your giraffe, you can make your spots anywhere you want, any shape you want, because every giraffe is different, just like every person, and they're all awesome, just like all of you. Here we go. I'm gonna draw one here. I like that. Maybe a little one here. Yeah. Maybe one here. I like it. Maybe a big one. Oh, nice. Maybe here. Looking good. And you can just really go for it. You really can't do this wrong. I like it. Ta-da! Looking good. And they get a little smaller down here on the legs before they stop. No big deal. I put one on the tail. Here we go. And I feel like I'm almost done. I feel like I got enough spots here. Oh, don't forget the back leg. Make them a little smaller down the legs. And ta-da! There you go. I forgot one last thing, and let's draw the giraffe's nostril. So just make a little circle, or maybe an oval, and a line. Ta-da! Now it's perfect. Good job! We just drew an awesome giraffe. Remember, if you like what you see, tell all your friends and please subscribe below. And thank you very much, Malachi, for the suggestion. Now, let's color!